you guys ready for scales 3, 4, and 5? The triad stacks within. Ha! Look at that! Tool. Close enough, right? Alrighty. Here we are. Are you ready for the triad stacks within? Ooh. I like stuff that's diatonic. I'm going to give you a close-up of the guitar because you don't need to look at me. I'm going to tilt the camera sort of mad. Not bad. Okay, this will be in the key of G. That's scale number 1. One way to speed up your if you want to play fast, which I don't know, I've been obsessed with it probably for too many years. Now I'm still trying to learn how to phrase and stuff. But what I do sometimes is just tremolo. And then try to do it quiet. And do that for every scale. That's 1 and 2 right there. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. Inside number 3, the first triad in number 3 is right here. The 1, which is a D note, the 3, and the 5. It's actually a D chord right there. And I add these notes. And then drop straight down. Same shape for the chord. It is a G, which is the root of the key. Yeah, that sounds weird, huh? And here's the 2 notes that I add to the triad. And the next one. And the last one, or the 4th one, in scale number 3, triad number 4, F sharp minor 7 flat 5. Well, there's probably no 7, it's just 1, 3, 5. Now on this last one down here, on the bottom, number 4 triad, you can add the 4th note. Now if you look at all 7 scales, you take the top 4 strings like this, and these voicings, you can see them. Well, if you see them, if you look for them, you can see them. And the cool thing about it is you can brush them. It starts like this. It goes like, oh, let me get a hand in there. G major 7. And then A minor 7. And then B minor 7. C major 7. D dominant 7. E minor 7, F minor 7 flat 5, back to G major 7. Okay, so that's the triad stacks in number 3 scale. Now the triad stacks in number 4. That's the first one, and that was E minor. Here's A minor, and here's a D, and then a G, that was backwards. Okay, scale number 5. First triad stack, F sharp 7 minor flat 5. And next one is B minor. This is number 3. So, that's it for this video. So we covered number 3, number 4, and number 5, 7 scale, 4 triads in each one. So that's 12 triad stacks. So that's 3, 4, and 5. And the triad stacks are that was 3. That was 4. And number 5. All right, well, that's it. 3, 4, and 5. You know, I don't know. This kind of stuff we don't know how. I mean, you know, I'm sure there's a lot of ways to use it. Just, it's a good exercise, if anything else, you know. Whether or not you ever use it in a song, that's a whole nother story. All right, next video will be number 6 and number 7. Thanks for watching The Triads Within.